Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you some things about this LED replacement for high intensity discharge lamps, and then I will show you the startup of this lamp. So here we have the lamp, which is very nice, and here we have the box from this lamp. And as you can see, so this lamp is from LEDVANCE. The name of this lamp is HQL LED P2000. This HQL is a sign for mercury vapor lamps because this LED lamp is replacement especially for mercury vapor lamps. And this LED is here because this is just the LED lamp. And this number 2000 is here because this LED lamp has 2000 lumen. So this LED lamp is bright like classic HQL lamps with 50 watts. But this LED lamp has only 14.5 watts, as you can see here. And we have here these signs. LED, because we have here LED technology. E27, because the base of this lamp is E27. 4000 Kelvin, because this LED lamp has cool white light with 4000 Kelvin. And CCG and 230 volts. And these two signs means that you can use this LED lamp with conventional control gear, I mean with magnetic ballast, but without any external igniter, or you can use it also only with the mains. And CRI or RA or the color rendering index is 80 from 100. So the color rendering is good. This lamp isn't dimmable, and as you can see, so this LED lamp is from this frosted glass, from this aluminum base, from this white plastic cover, and from the base E27. Under this frosted glass we have one hexagon, and this hexagon has on each side some SMD chips, and these SMDs are coated with yellow phosphor layer. And thanks to this yellow phosphor layer, we have this specific color temperature, I mean 4000 Kelvin. But these SMDs produce hard light. But thanks to this frosted glass, we will have very nice diffused light with 360 degrees. And this is very good. And thanks to this aluminum body, we will have also better cooling, because these SMD chips produce some heat, of course. But thanks to this better cooling, we have also very long nominal lifespan, and the nominal lifespan is 60,000 hours with 100,000 switching cycle, and IP is 65. IP is the international protection, and this first number, 6, is the level of protection from the other objects and from the sand. And this second number, 5, is the level of protection from the water. And these numbers are pretty high. So this lamp has very good protection. And this lamp is good for outdoor use. Okay, that's it. And now I will show you the startup of this LED lamp. So let's do it. As you can see, and as I said before, so we have cool white light with good color rendering, and it's very nice. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and bye.